All right, so here we are. Today, I'm gonna fly what we think is called Bearpaw Mountain. Let's see if we can show you that. We got this narrow spot to fly through, and we're just gonna have to hit it just right. We can do this, man. It's about what, 2.25 miles up there and about 2,000 feet. And we just got to make sure we watch out for these trees up close. And the hard part's going to be coming back in and seeing where our landing spot is in the shadow, I predict. So let's give it a go, see what happens. All right, good. We got 20.8, we got 52 milliamps, we got a full battery. We're armed.
Armed. Okay. Raise the VTX power level.
Going max.
Okay.
We're ready to take off, aren't we?
Confirm sets and home point, and we're ready to go.
We are. Well, I guess we're going flying.
Okay.
We're gonna have to get out halfway and look for this spot, and we're gonna.
Yeah, this is a little hole in here. It's dark.
Yeah, it's dark.
Now you're off and up.
I'm just gonna go up in the era of upness. Just watch for speeds. Hey, stay over on my left side if you can here, please. Yeah, right here. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's watch altitude 150.
Okay.
Let's look. Whoa. Is that a road?
It looks like it.
Where are we? We're just gonna have to look at our return home arrow.
Yeah.
That's my altitude.
Altitude is 104.
And keep an eye on like line of sight for the drone that we're not too low.
Okay. So
46. I'm going too fast.
altitude 150. Going up.
So basically looking at this valley, where I'm going. - 300 feet. We're doing 40 miles an hour.
You're going out there.
I don't want to do too fast, you know?
Okay.
Great
400
signal.
feet.
I feel good with that. 400 feet above us.
Mm-hmm.
We shouldn't be having any signal issues at all now.
No.
We still got to go up a little bit. 39, that's plenty speed. Return to home arrow is straight behind us.
Yep.
Even if we can't see where we're going, we'll just come straight behind us.
Uh-huh. Just look for the eye in air.
Shit. So we'll have to do, we can get back into the shadow and fly real slow.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to go up a little higher. Don't worry about the trees in our foreground.
Okay.
Remember, we got to stay above this tree patch, tree line here,
Mm-hmm.
towards the green.
Right. I'm going to try and get a...
So, dude, look at the lake in the lower right, at the middle.
Yeah, I see it. I see it coming up. Altitude 730.
Backing off the speed. This is watch our amps, 800.
Oh, now you can see the lake really nice. Coming over it.
Let's see if we can find our home point. Right into the sun. Back that way.
Yeah,
Just kind of,
trying to see it.
I think it's like straight in.
Straight in from
I
there.
think it's straight in from there.
Yeah, I see the road there.
You see the road too? Yeah, kind of snaking up the hill.
Mm-hmm.
We're just going to have to follow that road.
Mm-hmm.
It's not going to be good flying back home into the sun, but it'll be a little higher.
There's not much we can do about it. It's great for this video, but going out. There's the second light.
Second light? What?
Altitude.
Oh, the second.
Yeah, we came down a little bit here.
Yeah, I'm just kind of gonna. I'm gonna go on this side of the lake and go up the hill towards this green. I'm just gonna kind of snake up this because this seemed like a really safe path. Mm-hmm. 35 miles an hour. 1100. I think our regular North Church flight plan is battery, plan is in play here.
Yep. Okay. Altitude 925.
We know we got good line of sight here.
You're coming up on 2 miles out.
Thank you. Let's just fly along this ridge here, and I'll turn around a little bit. $1,300.
1,300 milliamps.
We got a hill in our foreground here that might block us right there. I gotta be careful about that. See that hill?
Yep. Altitude 950. Speed 21, 26.
Dude, there's a second lake.
Yeah, there's the second lake. Yeah.
Oh man. That's the lake below us. What a pretty area. 1,400. Less than 2 miles. We've got good line of sight here, we know. Just sort of scoping this out. I'm going to go up and turn left. Just slow it down.
1,000 feet. 1575 milliamps.
Everything good? Look how blue that is. Okay, we're going to have to climb up this ridge. We don't want to get to the right where our altitude is. We don't want to get down low in that hole, that valley.
No, we don't want to get over those humps.
So we're going to follow this ridge. We got 1,700. We got lots of power.
Yeah. There's 1,800 milliamps. Altitude 1,100. 2 miles out. 18 volts.
There's Baker. I'm just going to take a look. Look at our home point. I know I line up the two. Home point's about straight ahead somewhere. There's the road snaking up. Okay. There's the cliff back there. So I need to 1,900. God, we got lots of power. I think I'm really good, safe line of sight going up this ridge here.
I think so. I got a good signal.
I'm at the left, kind of.
2¼ miles out.
$2,100.
Altitude 1,500.
2.2 1/3 miles. Beautiful. This Rush Tank Solo is working great. And these helicals are coming up on something here at the top of the mountain. Let's go up. And peekaboo.
Altitude.
This is our max.
1,800 feet.
Here's our road snaking up, I think.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna... $2,200.
40 miles an hour, 38.
Here's our... Slow it down, buddy. What are you thinking, Jim?
Nice.
What are you thinking, Jim? Home movies are awesome here.
Yeah, 2425 milliamps.
Good, yeah. Give me that. And my speed.
Speed 27, 28, good speed.
You want a 30... What is it?
33 now.
What is that? 30... When we start heading back at...
2500 milliamps.
Was it 32 something we want to start
Yeah,
heading
30,
back?
32.
We want to start heading back.
Mm-hmm. So you got a little time yet.
A little bit time, not a heck of a lot. Yeah, we're at 26, so we got...
You got 600 milliamps.
I got time to fly up here and check it out a little bit, maybe.
Mm-hmm. 42 miles an hour.
I just remember I just need to stay at the top of this cliff, not go below the gravelly area.
Mm-hmm.
Remember?
Right.
And then not go too close to the lake, otherwise those trees on the lake side will
Mm-hmm.
cut us off. Battery 27.
$12 miles an hour, 11 miles an hour. 2800 milliamps.
There's a kid in a candy store. Now where do I go? Won't fast enough?
Yeah.
Whoops. Gee, I slowed down to 4 miles an hour.
Mm-hmm. 10 miles an hour there. 11, 19, back up. 3,000 milliamps.
Okay.
45 miles an hour now.
We're going to start, we're 2¼ miles out.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to go over this ridge and then hang a right and start heading back, I think. Ish.
Mm-hmm.
I'd rather play this one conservative. We could fly it again if we wanted to, you know?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
I mean,
sure. Mm-hmm.
somewhere that way is our home point, like straight that way,
Mm-hmm. Right into the sun.
pretty much.
I see the road there.
I see it too. I think the road's just off to the left of that ridge.
Right.
I
Just
think you're right.
right on the middle of the ridge there.
Right about, well, maybe at the 1 o'clock position now.
Now, yeah.
I think you're right.
3270,
That's our 32.
3277.
Our conservative flight plan says start heading home soon, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
3,300 milliamps there.
Our road's right about there, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's in the middle now.
Right in the middle, or now it's off to the left of the middle, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Altitude is only 5, coming down 4, altitude 400, 411 there. There you go.
Yeah, there we go. We need to keep this 500 feet coming back.
Right.
Okay, let's watch our home point. Start coming back. Keep altitude,
Altitude.
speed, and our arrow.
Okay.
So we can start looking for the home point.
3,500 milliamps.
We're to the left of the parking spot.
Mm-hmm.
Keep my altitude up.
4, yeah.
400, 418.
1 mile out now.
Speed and altitude.
Speed 47, you're flying in. Altitude 400, 390, coming down a little bit. 382.
Now we gotta look for the fucking landing site.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it's off. I see the road, I think, straight ahead. I think that's the road snaking
I
up.
think it is. You're still 3,500 feet out.
I'd rather fly around here lost looking for this thing.
Mm-hmm.
300 feet up. I don't think that's it to the right. That's like a creek.
Yeah.
It's 300 feet up.
300's good. 3,900 milliamps.
I hear it. Is this our road or is that our river?
Oh God, I don't know.
It looks like the road snaking right there, see?
Mm-hmm. I hear it too, but I can't get an eye on it. You're 800 feet out. And
Oh,
300.
we're right above us? Dude. We are above us.
I hear you, but I can't see.
Look up.
Oh, I can see it up there. I see something.
I think I see the parking spot. I think I see the car. I do.
Okay.
I see us now. I see the car. We're off to our left a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
I'm up 150 feet.
That's good. I got you now. I got eyes on you.
I gotta come more to
You're off to your left. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm off to my left. I gotta go more to my right.
Okay, you're
come
coming
down.
right. You're right in the center of the V now.
Right there.
Right there.
Oh, I see us. I see our chairs.
Now, don't get off to your left too much. Now you're good. You're good between the trees here. Your altitude, 40 feet up. Oh, you can come down now. Come on down. Come on down.
Oh, I see us now.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
The glare on that shit.
You're right straight in.
I see us now. We got a good landing going.
Okay, you got it now.
Oh man, this was tough landing.
Okay, right there.
Oh, that was hard, but
You were right on it.
that was hard, but I wanted to land it. Okay, we got to get the power down in the VTX. We used how much amps did we use?
We had plenty.
Oh my God, 42. We got another 1,000 to go.
Yeah.
Okay.
We wanted to make sure we found our home point.
Well, I'm glad because
Maybe you can go again now.
Jim, that was good. Oh, I did hit the target.
You hit the target. Yeah. You found it right away there.
Okay, power's down. GoPro's this one's stopped.
I'm gonna unplug it.
Okay, let's stop the. So that was. Hang on, let me look at the stats here real quick. 1,800 feet max, 17-minute flight, 2.5 miles. Okay, and we landed at 4,200. Oh man. We did it! What a great flight. Oh, we're coming back here again.